Okay, good morning. Today's task at hand, replacing the two wheel bearings or front hubs to my 2012 F-150. I should have watched some more YouTube on this, but I'm gonna try it myself. So anyway, I'll keep you posted. Got the tire off here. A couple things I notice here. That cap did not come with the new one, so I'm gonna have to baby that. One of the good things about filming bad light, some of this stuff, is that I have a record of how it was originally. So I'm chasing this sensor wire up there to about there. Okay, worst case comes to worst, I can chase that out. And I was hoping that when I jack this up, I'd be able to wiggle the tires and get the satisfaction of this whole thing being nice and tight and quiet and smooth. But when I jiggled the tires, I didn't feel any play in either side. So I've got the hubs now, I'm putting them in, but I hope that was my problem. They were $300 each, so I'm $600 into this darn thing. We'll see. So I got all the bolts out. They all came out reasonably easy. That Milwaukee half-inch impact, good stuff. All right, now I know I should have, I took the speed sensor out, and I'm gonna leave that wire in as long as I can, and I'll fish the new one as I take the old one out, but I'm gonna hit this. I hope a bunch of needle bearings don't fall out, but here we go. I know I should have a brass hammer, but I don't have one. It's coming. Okay, I gotta set the phone down, darn it. I'll bring you back. Okay, I got the hub off, but unfortunately I had to take that little cap off and pull this up. There seems like where those needle bearings ride, right down in there, where those needle bearings ride is scored considerably, and it looks like they've been really hot. You got the temper coming out of there. So I guess I'm gonna need a new whatever that thing is. So this job just got harder. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm here at the other side. This thing is chooched too. Truck's got 140,000 miles on it. Maybe that's what's happening here. But anyway, gonna go to the auto parts store, see what it takes to get a new one of them, because I don't want to put $300 bearings on a spindle that's out of round. Anyway, I'm amazed though at the big picture here. Once you know what you're doing, I learned a lot of lessons on the other side. You can have one of these off in 10 minutes. So, should go back together a lot easier than it came apart. Okay, it's a day or two later. Boy, I'll tell you, God is good to me. So I was talking about this scoring, and it looks like the discoloration of the burning here. So I ran to the Ford dealership with a picture of this, and they promptly sold me 2 axle assemblies. And then I one for this side, and it's the exact same on the other side. So I showed my mechanic Luke, and he goes, no, this back here is the bearing journal for those needle bearings. So this thing rides right here and right here for that small bearing. So we're in good shape. I was able to cancel the whole axle assemblies, which look like a total bear, to get going. So just throwing this stuff back together should go good. But I was encouraged that, and leave it to Luke, man, he is good at this stuff. I'll bring you back. Okay, we're getting there. One of the things I noticed, Luke is out here working with me. So we took this speed sensor off and shot some grease down in there, but it's going together pretty well. Chased the blue wire up to there. Another thing is good to do is make sure these slides are moving in and out. I actually took them off and I greased them. Okay, that's the job. All went together well. Lukey gave me a hand. It's great having him out here. Anyway, I'll see you later.